Hi, I'm Rob the Ranger, and welcome to another episode of the Safari Highlights.
Her that we're here.
No.
She has her eyes set on one side.
It's a he.
He. Okay.
Oh, you're taking a dump. You're making that the same face Highway does.
It seems they take a dump as soon as they get up. What I think about the whole situation.
See what happens there as well.
He's hiding.
From the hippos. I love those hippos.
And the hippo coming out of the water there.
How big he is. I just realized how big they are.
Let's try it again.
Little guy.
He's not doing a very good job of it, is he?
So he's always here on his own, is he?
It takes them usually about 8 months to get full control of their trunk. It's quite a complicated piece of equipment that they have there.
Mm-hmm.
Try your cap.
How old do the young males have to get before the older males drive them out?
About 3 years old. Yeah, they're all starting to
He wasn't, huh?
On this side going, I was having a really good dream and you woke me up.
fantastic.
Setting something.
Yeah, it's just scent marking there. They've got scent glands on their forehead and spraying with the urine as well.
I got
Sorry, go again. Am I ready now?
You took a picture?
There's a 2-track just north of shortcut Dewane that goes west. Take that.
Clean up my pictures.
Is he larger because he's older?
Yes. Yeah. That is a fully grown male. So they're not fully grown until they're in their late 30s.
Wow. I know they live a long time, but how long on average do they live?
60, 65 at a push, whereas it should have been all of them.
Oh my God, Dad.
Well, Mr. Elephant, we are not a female elephant, so
You are so cool.
you have no interest in us. Chat to your girlfriend there.
Affirmative, sir. I'm quite a few guys from outside that are told to go in before crossover.
They're extremely.
Aren't they cool? Have you seen these ones before? No? You saw a different animal, yay. Yeah, you don't hear much about that.
Look at the cage, they're trotting in the back.
you get good pictures done.
Hola, pequeño.
Sneeze. Very
Oh, oh. ¿Me suelto el pelo? El macho se puede levantar.
Just looking at the horns there, looks like it was a young buffalo, which is why there's not too much of it left. Ooh. Lots of growling going on between them over the last scraps of meat.
Que están encantadas. Ahí roncan de hambre.
You waiting for higher bidders, Georgie? Are we not allowed to do that?
¿Sí? Leopard.
Sí, sí, te se van mucho.
Ya, pues es que las quiero ver. Ok. ¿Nos meterlas?
That's nice.
Pablo, Pablo.
Walking territory the whole way along here. The river is her boundary of her territory, so there is another female that would have marked here a few days ago. So she's now just re-establishing herself as the dominant individual, and that's what they'll keep on doing, just marking over each other's scent. And by doing that, they
Ay, no te pongas. Dum, 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 dum.
And the young one is gone.
Along this river course, it's just the one we get all around. You look at you see that pink on his toe there? They just sit there just for you guys to take these beautiful pictures.
It's beautiful.
Nice one, thanks.
What a nice one. Yeah, and the bone marrow is the nice one.
Yep. Looking at the size of the rib cage, it wasn't a full-size buffalo, so there's a reason it's gone so quickly. Yesterday wasn't a full-size buffalo either.
Oh, look at that.
Thank you very much for joining me once again. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Please feel free to subscribe if you haven't already. Like, share, comment. See you next time. You can also follow me on all the social networks with the hashtag #NowFilming for live updates from Safari.